Hi everybody, today I have a challenge lock made from a very nice sergeant, and it's called Thorn by Trekmaster30. You see the beating, really crazy beating, and it works really smooth, really smooth and easy. Now let's clamp it up, just 1 minute. Ready, let's go. So a little tensioner on the bottom, my top of the key tensioner, and we are ready to start. Just touch the last pin. Number 1 give me this nice counter rotation. Now let's check it from the back, all the pins. It's really difficult to stay under some pins and reach the others. Let's change the pick. Another slight movement on the core. On the right track we are. I think that we are done with this pick and need to come back to the more height one. Ooh, nice movement, touching pin number 1, and we have an open. Just this little problem I show you, because on the back you see the cam cannot move any further because of the vise, but it's picked. I will show you when it comes out. You see, it's picked, it's turned, fully turned. Now let's try and get it real quick. We have the key, so I can close it up. I want to make a short video. stubborn. This one is very stubborn. I need to use another screwdriver. And now the key. And my friend shim. Just destroyed. But let's go. Oh, done missed. Now onto the pinning tray, and let's see all this nice pin. You see everything is moving, and there is some nastiness. You see. Now let's dump them. Really nice serration. Wow, these are the special pins they told me. And also, you see, we have threading in chamber number 1, chamber number 4 and 5. Chamber number 3 and number 6 seem a little bit enlarged, and I feel something, but it's not enough. Maybe not a real counter milling in chamber number 2. I see, this is enlarged 2, so it's not counter milling, they are just enlarged. 2, 3 and 6. Now let's see on the core. A destroyed shim. Wow. Wow. And now let's see what's inside. Wow. 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 I don't know if it's called spool or serrated, but it's a nice pin. Number 2. Again, some special kind of pin. I don't know how to call them. I will show you in the photos. This too. I don't think camera will cooperate, but photos will be much clearer, I promise. On the back. I try to show you, but the focus is not very good. They, according to me, this actually seems a piece of a file. Really strange. We'll do some close-up photos. Wow. These are the best serration I have ever seen. Wow. So let's see what's inside. Number 1, 4 and 5 are threaded. Really nice. Now let's make some close-up photos for you. Just 1 minute and see you.